I'm going to show you how I like to set up this activity. I like to use a large paper and tape it onto the table so that it doesn't move. And what we're going to do is we're going to tape a marker using some type of tape behind the car. I like to use bigger cars for this activity because it is easier to tape the marker to and it's easier for the kids to grab onto. So try to find a car that's a little bit bigger. Then once it's taped, it's going to mark, and that's what it's going to do. I'm going to show you what happens. One of the difficulties that I get when trying to do this activity is I try to tape the marker and then somehow it doesn't paint, and that's because the marker is too high. So you just have to adjust the marker to go lower, sometimes in a diagonal line, so that it paints and it draws. And once it's secure, you can just give it to your child. You can do as many cars and as many colors as you want. This scribbling activity is a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoy it.